Okay, now we're ready to prep to get the window done, and the first thing we have to do is we have to put some shims in, because the rough opening is always a ½ inch bigger, both directions, than the actual window itself, because if the building moves, the window is centered within that opening. So what we want to do also is for leveling purposes. So what I do is we put a shim in one side here. Now I've just got this glued in here, and what I need to do is you put a shim 4 inches in on either end, and you put a shim in whenever there's a mullion. Now typically when you install a window, if you've got one mullion plus 2 outers, that would say you need 3 people to install that window. So the bigger the window, the more people you need to install. We are installing a window that's got it's a PVC window, plastic flange, dual plane slider, and it'll be within this opening. And one thing to keep note here, here's our window here that we're going to be doing. The window here, as you can see, you notice the tape on top here? That's because this unit is got a mullion in the middle. It is screwed together. Now this window, because of the size of it, we don't need to have a shim in the middle of this one because of the flange. But they put this tape on. This identifies the fact that this is the top of the window. I pulled all the installation instructions of the window and the brand on this, but it always shows which way is up. And also every window you find in industry now actually has an energy rating that tells you, and even shows you on the window, the zone that can be in, whether it be in the southern part of Manitoba in this case, or in the center, or in the northern part. And it's based on temperature and the R value of this window. In this case here, it works in the southern part. So as you can see over here, I've got my first shim on the window. Now I'm going to put 2 more shims in on the window here. And as you can see, I've got 2 here so I can adjust for height. And what I want to do is I want to level the height. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to determine how much I have to place here, and that is my height right there. So I'm going to see here, this makes a difference. So that's good there. So I'm going to turn around and place this. Not too much, that's too much. Okay, so there's the height of our window, and it is level. Also what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue the shims in place so I don't lose my penetration. So now these are ready to be installed. Okay, now what we are having to do, we have a flange on the window. We're going to have to caulk the edge of the window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this down. And show you where we caulk. So the top of the window and down the sides will have a continuous bead of caulking all the way around the flange. And of course I put it right where the screw holes are. Now, because of the window trough, to allow for the water to come out of the window, I'm going to leave a 2-inch space in between. So I'm going to have about a 2-inch space here. And I'm going to caulk as such. Okay, here we go. Now we're ready to install the window.